Okay, so what we have right now is we can step over an object, click on it, and the reference is going to be saved in our array of objects. But there's something that we haven't implemented yet, and it's that we need that image of this object to be stored over here. So let's do it. Okay, so let's open our inventory grid script, and we'll go to the bag function. Okay, here we have it, but we're going to need something. We're going to need to do something so that we can access all the different bags. We can access the main array. Okay. And we need to set up an offset for each bag as well. So let's create it. And this is going to tell us how much we're going to move the index on the parent bag array to store our items in the selected bag. Alright. And we need to calculate this value, and we're going to calculate it over here by multiplying the bag number with the number of slots that each bag has. Okay, so now that we have this, let's save and let's organize this index. So, bag number is 0. There's 1. This is the second. And this is the third. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So with this value, this third one, we're going to tell that this object, the bag 4, is going to be able, there's an error, okay, let's close it, and let's check out our bag numbers. Okay, so again what we're doing is this object, this bag 4, these slots are going to use our inventory, the positions from the last one to the position 48. Okay, the same thing happens with the third one. With bag number 3, it's going to work from position number 47 to 32. And the bag number 2 is going to work positions 16 to 31. Okay, and that's why we're going to use this offset that we have just created over here. Alright, so now let's implement our texture. So let's go to the bag, and we're going to ask for each slot in our bag. So we're going to access our control object, our control script, and we're going to access a function that we haven't implemented, but what it's going to do is access an object given an index. So let's name it get objects in bag at the position t, the index t, and what this function is going to do, just to return our objects in bag at t. And we're doing this function because this object is a private variable. So we have, in order to access this, we need to make a function to get the object's attributes. So let's do the same for setting a value. We're going to set an index and an object. And what this function is going to do is to set that object at position t is equal to object. So let's save. Now that we have created this function, we can access from the inventory grid script that position. And we're going to access that position at the offset of this bag plus the position converted from the matrix that we have created to an array. And it's given by a simple formula that is the number of columns that the matrix has. In this case it's 4 multiplied by the I iterator and added by j. Okay, so what this function does is it converts a value of the matrix, the index of the matrix, to